friends, how are you? So there's another question, and the question says that energy is supplied at a constant rate to a fixed mass of substance. The graph shows the variation of temperature of the substance with time. So basically, they have given that delta Q by delta T is constant, and the mass of the body, suppose there is a container and there is some material, and we have given some heat to the substance, and this mass is also constant. So temperature and time graph is given to us. Which statement about the substance is correct? So first understand what this graph is all about. So from solid, this substance has, the temperature of substance is increased in this much time, and then the substance temperature is not increasing, but we are continuously giving the heat. So at this point it becomes liquid, and at this point it becomes liquid only, and then we have given the additional heat with temperature is not increasing, and this material has been vaporized, and up to this it has temperature of the vapors has been increased. So it says that specific latent heat of vaporization is greater than the specific latent heat of fusion. So we can see that for this much time, we have given heat. So to change the phase from solid to liquid, but for this much time, we need to give heat to change from liquid to vapors. So the latent heat, the specific latent heat of vaporization is greater than the latent heat of fusion. So our A option is the right option. But for understanding, we will now look into the other options also. Specific latent heat of fusion is greater than the specific latent heat of fusion. No, we have already discussed. Then the specific heat capacity, that is C, you must have done the questions for like Q equals to mc delta T. We calculate that how much energy is required to raise the temperature of a body. So the specific heat capacity of solid is greater than the specific heat capacity of liquid. So how you will know that whether this is the right or wrong? Now I'll tell you. See this theta, and this theta. See, the theta of solid is greater than the theta of liquid. So the slope is greater for solid and slope is less for the liquid. So this means that specific heat for solid is less and specific heat for liquid is more. But the answer says that it's greater for solid, which is not. So this option is not right. And in similar, specific heat for vapors is greater than for specific heat for liquid. So this theta V looks bigger, greater than the liquid. So the specific heat for vapor is less than the specific heat of liquid. So this liquid is more. Here the liquid is more, here the liquid is more, but in the both options it is less. So only A option is the right option. Now we will check the mark scheme. Mark scheme says A is the right answer. So like this you have to solve these questions. They are very simple, but they are very logical. So if you have some problems, just let me know. We will have one-on-one classes, or if you need some help, just put it into the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.